fine. It's okay. Get this party started a little bit on the early side of life. Let's do this thing. Okay. Let us do this thing. So, we're a tiny bit in green today. A little bit. Let's see what else we can get. What's up, Louie? How are we doing?
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
Are we ready? I see I did not miss much. I see that for once the Maya effect, it didn't take over. Missed that one. I see. Oh, this one, would this have been an A+? This wouldn't have been the worst setup. So this one potentially would have been a goodie. Yeah. Yeah, then I just kind of ran away again. Went back down. Yeah, I don't think there was actually any other trades I would have taken. Potentially, like I said, maybe that one, but I don't know if I would have trusted that to continue to the buy side. So, nothing lost. It neither it did not take out Asia high or Asia low. Just saying, I nearly got in on the freaking low there. Oh, just insanity. But London was a smaller range than Asia, which is cool. Let's see what let's then see what we get a little bit later. I'm marking these out. I know this is actually probably London high and London low. I'm gonna mark these two out because this is basically the London range, if you will. Let's just call it the London range, if we shall. Okay, here's the new weekly opening gap. Still got our midnight open. Oh, midnight magnet. Same. Midnight open, midnight magnet. Now we go from here. All right, we see where we head next. What's up, Deus? How you doing? How am I? What did I do for 4 hours? I'm not gonna lie, I was a little bit fatty. It was one of my friend's birthdays yesterday and they like left me with cake, so I kind of sat and ate some cake. Did a little bit of editing, relax. I'm very exhausted. You know, one of those weekends where it feels like you exerted more energy than you rested. That was basically my whole weekend, so I kind of rested a little bit. Yes, why? OTT cake eater. Let them eat cake. I wish I had some cake. Yeah, jealousy makes you nasty. Maya sitting in a dark corner, ate cake with her bare hands like a cave woman. How did you know? Why are you stalking me? You. Why? Womp womp womp. All these to me. We have literally just started the session. You guys are bullying me. Rude. But it's okay. Let's see. Like I said, we had that little bit of green. What, like $20? Should have been 70 something dollars. Oh well. Had that little bit of green during London. Let's see what New York brings. Let's see. Like I said, London, as small as the range was, I didn't hate it. There's been worse days. So people need to know. No, you're not stalking my Lou. I'm talking about OTT. Him saying that he knew that I was sitting there in a dark corner eating cake with my bare hands. How else would he know that? Unless he was stalking me. I don't make the rules. I don't make the rules. Apparently OTT makes the rules. But the best part, butterfly and fun fact. I knew it. Oh, I actually read a fun fact the other day. Do I remember what the fun fact was? No, not really, but it was quite fun. For the life of me, I can't remember what it was though. No. Cake with your hands. So no, I wasn't actually. I'm messing around. I did not. I ate it like a normal human being. I promise. Nah, I ate it like a normal human being. Now, our London range is inside of the Asia range, so this is about to get very interesting up in here. We're basically then sitting on the midnight magnet on VWAP and in the new weekly opening gap. So, do I have any clue what this is going to do? No. Not one. Not one single clue what this is going to do today. This could literally so easily spike down, take out Asia low, and then spike back up, take out Asia high as well. But we're gonna stick with trend as friend until it's not. And it's still trending to the buy side for now. You know what that tells me? That you can't remember the fun fact. That you remember how people made you feel versus what they did. What? Really? Does that actually tell you that? Is that like a thing? To be fair, normally I remember what they did to make me feel that way. Do I? See, now you're having me question my entire life. Thanks for that, Louis. See, now I'm mad at you and I won't remember what you did. Is it common on Mondays to spike both ways? I want to say no, but recently, yeah. Recently, that's kind of how it's been feeling. 9:22, so we still have a little bit of time. I'm not even going to bother doing a top-to-bottom analysis, seeming as we haven't moved. We have not moved from this morning, where I already did the top-to-bottom analysis. 7.5 minutes left. My bad. I'm now like contemplating, do I quickly run and grab myself some tea? Because I didn't. Maybe I should. What's up, DJ? Do it now. Do you think I should really, like... Okay, I'm gonna run and grab tea, guys. Well, I'm gonna run up, put the kettle on, and then run back down. If you guys hear me falling, I'm gonna leave the microphone on. If you hear me falling and screaming, just call the ambulance, okay? I'm gonna try to be quick. You guys can try and time me, but I don't know how well that's gonna work. Okay, ready? Let's go. Yeah, who's back? Back again. I thought I was. You're back. There is no one there. I don't know who he's barking at, but there's no one there. Okay. I'm back. Sorry. That was... Hello. That was super random. I apologize about that. I thought, you know what, I'll go up, run back down, let the kettle boil, then run back up, and then I thought, nah, it's not worth it. But I'm back with 4 minutes to spare. Let's do this. If I was directing a show, I would have said off camera, bang some pots together and stomp your feet that starts grooving. What's up, Kelvin? How are you? You would have loved that. If you guys had thought that I'd fallen over, you would have actually been happy, which is sad. You guys shouldn't be happy at my pain. I'm just saying, you shouldn't be happy at my potential pain. That feels like decent human being things. You've had so many sweeties. No, you get more sweeties tomorrow. Yeah? Good boy. Mind your feet. Yeah, good boy. Okay, so beep, 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 beep. 3 minutes to go. Okay, let's do this. Give him a... But there's like 2 left, and then he's gonna have none for tomorrow. And guess who's gonna be in trouble? Me. I'm gonna be in trouble. What's up, Live Sound? How we doing? How's it going? I just went to go and grab myself some tea. Just some tea. A cup of tea. 2 minutes. Okay. Literally 2 minutes to do this thing. Let's see what happens. Boy. Okay, so wait, we have 2 minutes to go. Who's feeling what? I don't even know if anyone can try and predict this right now, but... Break it, it's not yours. Let's see what you guys think today is gonna bring. I'm curious. Long, short, or sideways? Da, 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 da. We have 30 seconds to go. There we go. It was back on there. When we head down, but playing cautious this afternoon. Yeah, that's valid. Why do I feel like I should skip today? OTT, that's a little bit terrifying. LMW feels like this is a shorty short. Are we ready? It's going to drop and fight up. Let's see in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, a little tap into the Midnight Magnet over there. Hit. Dropping down for it to take out London low and Asia low would kind of be expected. Like I said, I low-key expected to take out the lows and then potentially head back up to the highs. Could be wrong. OTT jinxing before the session started. Oh? No, maybe not. My bad. Might be. My bad. Back up into there. Okay. Bullish open. There we go. There's our bullish candle. Oh, bloody hell. Now we're going. So much for that prediction of taking out the lows first. Okay, apparently going for the highs first then. But hey, this is why I don't trade the opening range. Yep. Some people bought life jackets. Hey Dom, what's up? How are we doing today? Oh, 23, 22, 21. Okay, 10 seconds. Wow, there is nowhere for us to be going right now. Okay. London high taken. Gonna sell at 4.8. So basically just after Asia high. Louis, that's what you're planning? OTT ready for Thursday. What's happening Thursday? Dom says London high and down. Why not Asia high and down? It's right there. Just out of curiosity, genuine curiosity. See, 12 seconds to go. Then it looks like we have our first presented. Whoop, there it is. Asia high gone. 4, 3, 2, 1. This is running away and not letting anyone catch up. Here's the first presented. Freaking Bob's Bob, man. Let's see if it rejects off of the 440 level. A smaller reversal soon, a short one. I would have been all over it if I'd seen it in time. Oh my god. Not see sunlight? This is some wild manipulation. Yeah. Dumb, now we wait. If I'm not on my streams, don't ask questions. Oh. Okay, I'm assuming it's games. I feel like you don't get enough sunlight as it is. You're starting to become a bit of a vampire. Just saying. Do with that information what you will. You'll be looking for a short in the first presented. Possible rejection off of the bob level down back into the first presented could actually be quite nice. Let's see what type of action we get off of there. A lot of people keen on shorts, making me want to buy. I know that's bad. I know that's bad. Of course, sunlight also dangerous. I prefer indoors. Sun's scary. Okay. OTT, what's the temperature like over there right now? Is it bad? I've been told that it's bad. It's like the Titanic when it's split in the bottom. Shots straight up. The disappointment in his eyes right now. I don't know what to talk about. I'm not mad. I'm just disappointed. I don't even think I could take this on a normal. I can risk $200 day, so I will not be taking this. But it wouldn't have been the worst trade to take, except for the fact that this looks like it's going to manipulate a bunch of people very quickly. Let's give it a second for the volatility to calm down. Created a bit of an inverse over here. There would have been a tag in. See if it goes back up or not. Oh, just missed tapping into the bob level. If it tapped and rejected solidly off the bob level, I may have been cheeky and taken a bob to bob. On the hourly price, nobody isn't sure of what's going to happen. Oh! Actually, not too bad. It's sunny. It's currently 18 degrees, and the sun feels good. So I've heard. I feel like I need to call your mom and be like, you need to make sure that your child is seeing daylight. Did you take a trade, Louis? Oh, you took the sell at where was it? 08. Yeah, it was at 08 there. I'm serious. It sort of feels good to see looking long on gold. I don't know if you trade it. I don't. Sorry, LMW. I don't really trade gold. Good rejection off of that 50%. Okay. Do you already have a setup set on the 15-second? Securing 200 each. I haven't spoken for 2 weeks. You not like maybe talk to people when you go to gym? Might get taken out. What's up, Mr. Pix? How we doing? Hey, Reggie. Hi. Good morning.
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
Good morrow, everybody. Okay. Let's see what we get. Wow, just well. Said wait for everything to calm down. Then we can step up. I see you drinking your morning brew. Yeah, Reggie. It's not really cold. I don't know. Tea is just hitting the spot right now. Not speaking to anyone in 2 weeks. Hashtag goals. Life sound that's impossible for you because you are a married man with kids. Can't imagine you not talking to people for 2 weeks. We could talk. I'm buying a motorcycle. Why? Why are you buying a motorbike? Oh yeah, get some tea. Okay, add a bit of a deciding point here. Like I said, a little bit of rejection off of there, a little bit of rejection off of there. This could potentially, we're basically stuck in the first presented now. So that's cool. Tap back into the 930. Where is... Oh, that's great. This whole thing here is the 5-minute candle. The tippy top to the bottom is the 5-minute candle. Cool. There's that, yeah, but that's assuming they like me. I'm OTT buying motorcycles to make the people come to you so you don't have to. It'll force me to touch grass and endanger my life, thus I won't touch grass, low-key edgy. Lipton, no. DJ, don't want to brag, but I'm low-key Einstein. I've had conversations with you. Stop lying to people. I'm kidding. I'm totally kidding. So we surge on ASD now. Pix, what? Oh no, oh no. Oh no, Mr. Pix, you have upset Lives Out now. Cancel my abonnement. Oh, Philip. You know what? You cannot say we don't have fun, yeah? Today's poll, cancel Maya for online bullying. I feel like he bullied me first though, so doesn't it just like cancel each other out? So I've placed this. This one's maybe a little bit dangerous because it did just take out that high. I did also have this placed down here, but as you can see, it just didn't pull back far enough to come and grab it. Let's see what we get. I don't know if this will reject far enough off of this level. Potentially it won't. This is a tad bit more of a risky trade. This could just start. This actually is a double top on the higher time frame. If I'm not mistaken, actually it's also an SMT. Let's quickly check. Yeah, it's also a bit of an SMT, so this one could go real bad real fast. But do you know what's fun? There's one way to find out. And that's by doing it. So when I hear order filled, I will quickly bring us back to the side and see what happens. Still looking here. I see we're still stuck in the first presented. ES is actually climbing right now. Lifesound, I don't know if you've gotten in on anything yet or not. Manson, what's up? I'd call it disciplining your younger child personally. Gotta be the big person on my. We all know OTT is special. Do you know what? For once, this is not for me.
Emotional damage.
For once, it's not aimed at me. Wow, it feels kind of nice. Is this how you guys feel? Dom is in. Okay, Dom. I'm trade right now. Just move break even. Nice. Okay. Ooh, here we go. 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 Mother fluffer. Look at this thing work. So Dom. Okay, Dom's in a trade. Did go and check it out. How does this look on the 5 minute actually? Sorry, let's quickly little zoomy zoom. Pity. Not good for a bob to bob on the 5 minute. But if I'd taken a bob to bob, potentially entry would have been here, so it would have been in a buy from there. Good rejection off of there. And engulfing, this is going back up to bob level. Sorry, Dom. So I'm saying that with so much certainty, but I'm pretty sure this is going back up to the bob level. I could be wrong. But the buyers are definitely still here to play. Looks like the train is off and I forgot my ticket. Just curious how much. Did I? No, my balance is still there. Hey, David. Balance is still there. Alright. If you can't see it, sorry, but here we go. Balance is at 717. Yeah, ES is in price discovery now, locked in some profits and just gradually managing it as price moves. Nice, Madsen. Okay, there we go. That's really, really good. I'm watching this, trying to decide if I should take this trade. Took the 50% of that. We are still in the 5-minute range. Literally, we are still in the 5-minute range. ES is just took off. What's up, Debbie? How are we doing? My coach told me to buy it. No, but it didn't. Hey, Ronan, what's up? Man, I hope it doesn't stop power puffing. I guess there's one way to see her. Like I said, ES is just running away. At this point, I almost wanted to be cheeky and just like mark it in. But I feel like I've missed the train. Not exactly a good time to mark it in now. How do I put this? This is and is not volatile. I think your cash count is frozen. What do you mean? No, I had a bit of a red day on Friday. And then I had like a $20... Do you want to see how frustrating today's trade was? So irritating. This was today's trade. Basically a tick away from TP. And then it came back and I had... Oh no, it was here. I had my stop loss here, so basically took me out for $20. That was mean. TP hit! Boop 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 boop! Whoop whoop! Yeah, so this hurt my feelings a little bit. Well done, OTT. Well done to anyone else that got a very nice whoop whoop over there. Oh. Oh. OTT, yes, queen. Why is this being so slow? Why am I not getting the messages? Go hunt your dream, what's up? Oh, that's why it's having a mini meltdown. Would have missed me. Rude. Was that rude? Okay. That would hit my stop loss. Why does the poll keep popping up? I have no idea. Maybe it's because of the fact that for some reason this is having a mini meltdown. Go on your dreams? That's great. Reggie, how are we doing? Okay, wait, there we go, we're back. We're back. I think. We're back. Okay. We've got whoop whoops. Everything's calmed down again. Hey. I'm not mad. I'm just disappointed in this. Okay. Took out the highs. I mean, like I said, ES just ran away. Market makers hacking Meist. Back in sales at 4.8. I'm not gonna lie. What, the fact that they left without you, Life Sound? That the train just didn't even bother offering a ticket, it just left. Alright. Let me end the poll. Looks like the longs won. Not by much. But the longs won. Oh, it's either long or sideways. For once, sideways Loki is part of the picture. Yep, didn't even offer me a seat, now it just went. Back into first presented, so it is struggling to break below. We are still technically in the 5-minute range. Which feels insane. How are we still in the 5-minute range? You know, trading this on the 15-second and NQ maybe it would be more fun. ES is going sideways, so there's nothing to really trade on the 15-second. Well, it's not going sideways, it's just it ran away and now it's kind of deciding what it's gonna do. Because I chose sideways. Nice, Ronan. If it's going sideways, does that mean you want to trade it or not though? Are you a sideways trader? I'm not gonna lie, I wasn't supposed to get filled on the trade I took. Hey, explain? Then why did you take it? Were you like, oh, this would be cool, and then it actually just worked out? What's up, the Attack Titan? How you doing? Wait, we have to hit my TP2 zone at 000. Like all the way down there? Oh no, sorry, at Midnight Magnet. That took me a minute. I was like, what? On the GAN box? I like Threads, was insane. I sent on Discord, a VIP in chat. Awesome. Oh, Tiana! Oh. Oh. Damn, okay. OTT crazy. Put a buy stop at 48 on gold, and guess what? It's profit for me now. Nice! At TP2, we'll pull for Dom. What even is yes an NQ right now? All good questions. No good answers. Tax Titan, Nasdaq futures. This is for Dom. Well done, Dom. And Louis. I feel like, yeah, Louis, you took a sell. You still happy? Securing 600. Bought, I stick to 16 minis. Ronan, you don't trade? 16 minis. Aw, cheers, Dom. You outie. Hiya! I need to stop sitting like a shrimp. Whew. No, I'll leave that there. Fine. Yeah. 165. It's Nasdaq, but for those who don't have future, you can look same price action on CFD broker name. Will be US 100 or US Tech 100. Thanks, Calvin. I thought 3 was a lot. Do, 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 do. This is frustrating for me. Nope. DJ, how many do I use? It depends. Yeah, it depends on the range. Like, shall we go back to like quote unquote normal days? Then I would just use whatever would come closest to $200. So it depends on the range. Sometimes it would literally be one contract. Other times I could put up to... I swear there was a point where I put 20 contracts in. Just because the range was so tiny. Maybe that's pushing. Maybe not 20, but definitely like 12. I've always been a hiccup person since childhood. No, it's because I forget to breathe. So like when I talk to you guys, I forget to breathe. Even someone... I was on the phone with someone this morning. And I was walking and I was like, I'm so out of breath. And they're like, yeah. It's because you're walking and you're not breathing. I was like, oh. You're supposed to breathe when you talk. I almost like hold my breath when I talk. I don't know if that's normal or not. But here we are. Oh, okay, cool, Kelvin. And how long have you been trading for? Hey, James. 16 micros at 3-point stop loss on ABS keeps it simple. Lifetime, wait a second. 16 micros at a 3-point stop loss on MES. Isn't that also just... I feel like that's a lot. Because ES is even more than MNQs. Even MES is more than MNQ. Dagnabbit. Ironically, that would have been a win. Yeah, wouldn't have taken it though, but would have been a win. You must be kidding me. Sorry, I'm shaking my head at the fact that I actually wanted to place a sell here. Wanted to place a sell here. You can see now it actually probably would have hit TP. Let's see. Yeah, would have hit TP instantly. So this little buy limit down here, I don't know if it's gonna reach down there though. Oh, that's frustrating. So that would have been a win. I actually feel like a market maker. Holding breath while talking is a sign of anxiety. You might be a very high-strung person. Oh, I could tell you that much for free. I didn't need Google for that one, trust. I'm very high-strung. Especially with like the move and stuff coming up. Guys. You're about to see a whole different side of crazy pop out of me soon. June time, let's get ready for this rubbish. $50 risk, $3. Oh, never mind. Okay. I use 16 contract now. This one here, DJ? Nah, it's the VWAP. Value weighted average price. Volume, value. Volume! Damn, man, I keep mixing up the two. TB schmacked, nice. Und Maya heißt strong. Never. Never ever. Me! High strong. Damn. It looks like they're whooping it up. They are, everyone is. I'm low-key getting a little bit of FOMO. I'm going, oh, I should have done that, should have done that, should have done that. No, just breathe. Else you're gonna get hiccups again. She is relaxed. I'm so relaxed. All the time. To be fair, I'm actually surprised I genuinely don't have grey hairs. I mean, I might. You guys see any grey hairs? From all the stress. Robert, it is volume weighted. Yes, I did correct myself. Like I said, I keep mixing it up. I did check and I was like, ah, damn. Volume weighted average price. I could lend you some 90%. Bet I might look nice with grey hair. No? I don't know if it would suit me. I might look like a cool cat. This still kind of looks like a bull flag on ES to me. On ES being the keyword. In Q, not so much. You someone putting your profile picture in AI and coming out with white hair. I'm kind of curious. Should I do it quickly? I'm gonna do it. Let's chat GPT this. I'll pop the results on Discord because I'm curious. What's up, Cosmic? How you doing? Dark Gray, you look like a very youthful grandma. Cute, that's someone being you. Oh, you put the idea in my head. It's not my fault. Okay, let's find a photo. Hi, chat. Hair color to gray. Thank you. Okay, it's taking a while to load. Let's see. So this is fun. Said not even something on the 15-second for me. I missed one. I missed a 15-second trade. I'm a little bit bummed about that. Come on, load. Load, load. TMC back down. Lifesound, do you think you're gonna get a trade in on ES today? Hey Silver, how are we doing? Why did it exit? Oh, sugar honey iced tea. Okay, let's try this again. Sugar honey iced tea, man. Why? Why are we being difficult? Difficult. Lemon difficult. What? No. No, stop that. Why is it like this? Oh my gosh, I swear ChatGPT hates me. Okay, let's try this again. Let's try it again. Trick-or-treating doesn't hold the flag isn't my kind of fun. And it's scary to trade. I agree, OTT. Why do you think I'm low-key just... Thank you. Good grief. Sorry. We're back. Haha. Okay, let's see. It's because you are a competing AI. Wow. That was quick. That was very quick. I'll give you that one. That's boom. By the way, for the sell side liquidity sweep, then looking for a buy, I'll be interested in the price to sweep relative equal lows at 280. I'm still waiting for it to come and take out London low and Asia low, in all honesty. I don't know if it's gonna do it, but Kelvin, it's actually not a bad shot. Thanks for my wooden sarcasm, one of my greatest redeeming. I don't know what mine is, but I'll, yeah. Like, I don't hate it, but I do look old. I don't hate it, but I do look old. I don't know how I feel about it. Okay. Yeah, no, maybe not silver hair just yet. You don't look that old. No, with silver hair? Wow. Let's see. I feel like I would look pretty old. Oh, you can't even see it properly. I'd have to post it. I'd have to post it in Discord. No. I feel like that's different though. I feel like there's a difference between silver hair and like that bleach blonde hair. It's not so liquidity in that price for it to be combined, so that low London would be more precise one. It's like hair. my hair. Oh, you're right. I don't pronounce all the letters. Hair. It's supposed to be hair, isn't it? My hair. My hair. My yahoo. My yaha. My yaha. Okay. Ooh, I see the crazy has started early today. Why do we not have any trades? The MES took London lows in pre-market, which should have been a trigger for me. So one long strat. I think I maybe need to pay attention to more confluences. Okay. What other confluences would you look for though? Lifetime. How old are you? Then we can judge. I'm 27. No. Nope. Where's the new... Oh, there it is. The new weekly. I'm just keeping an eye on where that is as well. This really does look like a straight bull flag happening on ES in particular. Like I said, not so much NQ, but definitely ES. This is not fun. We draw this here on ES for fun. Ooh, not like that. Ooh, not like that. Well, that's fine. Okay. Let's see what happens there. Looks like a pelican. $27, no minus, switching the number. 72 is more accurate. You know what? With the silver hair, I will give you that. Also, OTT, don't think I didn't acknowledge that you didn't answer my question that I sent you earlier. I'm just saying. You've now got me invested in this. I think you're fine for 26. I've been noticing a lot of inverse fair value gaps. As much as I don't like order blocks, they seem to be working with what my 5-minute strat looks for. So like incorporating that together, you're just gonna start adding it to, is that maybe the plan? Something. OTT, do you know what's hilarious? I do that all the time. And then my friend messages me and they're like, "Are you mad at me?" I'm like, "What do you mean am I mad at you? I didn't answer. My bad." Yeah. I do that all the time. It's my weakness. Nah, I'm kidding. I have lots of weaknesses. My phone. My way just scalp with. No, that's true. Debbie, let's see how TMP looked here. Give it a moment. Would this have been for where? Here. That was a good. Didn't give a buy signal here. I mean, sell, sorry. So no sell signal here, no sell signal there either. Interesting. So still a bullish bias. Maybe that's why. Still waiting on another confirmation. Oh, is it just waiting to get out of this range? It's low-key what it looks like it's waiting for. Waiting to get out of this range. Same, buddy. Same. This didn't retrace 50%. That didn't retrace. My strat team needs a 5-minute sweep, 5-minute break structure, then a 5-minute retrace. My strat works best when it retraces to blah blah. But I do use inverse on higher time frames, just not on lower. That's something to maybe then just backtest. Like, does it still work even on the lower ones? Wait a second, 15 seconds. Let's do this. Mwah-ha-ha. Maybe a cheeky mwah-ha-ha, but it's great. Mwah-ha-ha, indeed. Okay. Let's see if we get an entry on the 15-second. I think we do that because we're mentally not okay. Yeah, probably. You're probably very, very accurate on that one. Yeah, and I think it's something like does investment. Louis ES is going. Yep. ES has left the building. Testing is the only way to go, really. Hey, Mikwawabe, what's my bias? Well, on ES, I would, you know, I'd have to. Gosh, it's difficult to say on ES. I'm thinking maybe bullish. Definitely bullish on ES. NQ. Clearly there's something that's just dragging it down. I'm still bullish on NQ, but it just doesn't have the same oomph. I'll just go with oomph. It doesn't have the same oomph as ES has right now. What's that, Mikuwabe? No. My bias is back to the kettle as my tea is empty. Out of curiosity, life sound, right? Out of curiosity, how many cups of tea do you drink a day? Looking to stream Buddha live. Jordy said stop saying bullish because he's in a...
Emotional damage.
Rude. Rude. That version that was good for still on point that you should making a thing. We're going up. Don't worry, we want shorts to all-time lows. There's absolutely no reason for MPS to go higher at this point. Considering all great trading theories, yeah, SMC are heavy derived from backtesting. So the basic is same. S&P now is going up. Maybe the market is just breathing a little bit to go historical again. I like that. Oh, what's it doing? It's waiting to become historical again. Oh, scratchy baby. Sorry guys, I got a silver bullet entry taking advantage of the fair value gap. Oh, nice, Calvin. Okay, so you're taking a long. Yeah. There's been no trade for me, so I'm just gonna sit on my hands and wait. Do 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 do. Can you tell I'm a little bit bored? Burp, burp, burp. I'm gonna lie, there's no more trades for me on awful indices. Wow. Who's a vegan? You don't know me, Kawabe. So, T, I'll put a pick of my mug in disco. Yeah, I think I'll probably put away 8 to 10 cups a day. Alright, someone said my name 3 times. I'm here. Yeah, I said your name 3 times because you are mean to me. Good grief. I'm up break even on the long. It wasn't my fault. It wasn't my fault. It was not my fault. Maybe if I say it enough times, it won't be my fault. It's just BTW. Really does this mean we get 3 wishes too? Imagine you're controlling the Mayan party from behind your boy with buttons and controls and whatnot. Someone had to do it. 520.
Excuse me, sir.
I'm a DJ, not a genie, but yeah, screw it, shoot. Yeah, at this point, this is not nice. That's just running away. Even the trade I placed wasn't tagged. What the heck, man? Literally all of this is just... I mean, I'll put it back up one more time, but I think this is just running off without me. ES is just gone. Hey, Luca, what's up? Long time no see. How have you been? I'm good. We need to ban my ass while he's a vegan. Oh, y'all are giving me headaches today. We're on 4-8 again today. Those took temporary long TP yet. Even well, I'm good. Oh my gosh. Y'all are so aggressive today. Are you guys fine? Yeah, are you okay? Are you fine? You sure? Ollie hit a sensitive spot, didn't he? Yes, especially because I miss my horse so much. Oh my gosh, guys. I am counting down days. And you know what's sad? It's that there's still like 7 weeks to go. Just put my teacup in the discard. Meat eaters and grass eaters. The answer to that is always no, Maya. We are. Oh, sorry. Look, I'm good. I can't complain. How has the trading been for you? It's been a little bit up and down. I'm not gonna lie. For me, last week, if I'm not mistaken, was actually a bit of a red week. Had a little win today. Little one, but yeah. No, he is not. He's living his best life right now. I want to see the teacup. I feel like that's a rather large mug. I feel like that's large. Why does that look like a really large mug right now? I mean, you know how big my mug is. I guess anything compared to mine is like pretty small. Strike one life. That happened for me. It's a green Monday so far, plus some unrealized profits at the moment. Hey, that's Luke. That's nice. I tried to say that's lucky / that's nice at the same time and just absolutely butchered that. Anyways. A win is a win, Maya, be it a little or a lot. That's true. Yeah, it's probably similar to your mug. Got about a pint in it. I don't know how big a pint is. How big is a pint? Like a liter? No. 473 milliliters. Quarter of a gallon. Cool. Sorry, random looking up things today. Wish to finding my account, no prop finds about doesn't understand English. Oh, order filled. Oh no, this is sinking solidly now. Are we gonna reject? Oh no, we're not. This is gonna take me out real fast. Yeah, a little bit of a yeah. Better entry actually would have been done here. Yeah, well. That's the better entry. To be fair, I didn't even think it would go that far down. It rejected just not nearly enough. Okay. So now... Oh, that's irritating. That's where I originally had it. Okie dokie. Now at least we have some movement. Let's see what's next. Let's see what we can get. It's going down, down, down. Are you freaking kidding me? Of course. Where I originally had it, it's working out beautifully. Like I said, I very much originally had it over here. Maybe not. Well, definitely more of a rejection. Put it that way. And here we go, back down. Okay, the sellers have come to play. Finally. Let's give this a go. No, that's not what I wanted to do. Oops. Let's see what we get. In the 5 minute? 1 minute. Oh, okay, that was actually too quick for me to show you guys. That was target hit and target filled. So, a win, cool. So back to being break even for New York session. Hasn't taken out these lows yet. Order filled. Maybe a little bit of risky after that rejection there, but this would be the target point. Oh, maybe not. See a little bit of an inverse on the 15-second. Come on, drop down to 50. Okay, drop down to 75 now. $75, break even. A little bit of debates going on here on the 15-second. Definitely a break even. A bit further down in case, just in profit. Come on, break just below. Just wick out. Nah. Okay. Close. That was very, very close. Well then, okay. What the heck? Cool, 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 cool. Cool, 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 cool. What the heck, man? How does this look? How does this look? I feel like I've missed something. Not that much. Okay, well there's London low and Asia low gone. Bye bye. Wait. Bob to Bob, real fast. About to tap into VWAP. What the heck? Just doesn't listen to you. It really doesn't. It doesn't like me. I think it will be manageable till you got 2 wishes to me. Craig even killed you a little bit. I quit long here. What just happened there? Like, genuinely, what just happened there? Because that was a very big surge, at least on the 15-second, but that was a very big surge that happened. Well, at least we're out of the Asia and New York range. No idea, but some kind of manipulation or liquidity grab, yeah. Love it. I broke past the absorption area, liquidity grab, since it's reversing straight back up now. Just missed VWAP on ES. Tapped into the bob levels. And straight rejection off of them. Any fundamentals that cause that tank in price? No idea. Bought at 280 TP at midnight. Oh, I think this thing is just going straight back up now. Periwinkle! Careful, bud. Did reject, just not enough. The breaks there, it's going up anyways, so gonna keep it there. It's not a full loss. Yeah, that one's going up. It's going up with too much momentum, so there's definite manipulation happening. Some definite manipulation going on up in here today. Freaking bob to bob. Wouldn't say so. I'm pretty sure it's 20 quick liquidity grab. Another TP. Good grief, Louis. You're on a roll today, man. Okay. Just okay. It's just where we're at right now. Projection off of there. There we go. Sorry. Should potentially close in the green. I already moved stop loss a little bit though. Wherever this breaks now, it's gonna go solidly. There we go. There we go. Break even. Okay. Nice. It's a little bit better. Let's see what we get next. Okay, up a little bit from London. London I was down 150, so in a, you know, a little bit more in the green than I am the red right now, but let's just call this break even so far. The fact that we didn't really get anything until now kind of proves that. Okay, let's do this. I'll trade this. Oh well. I think that's just a. You're thinking a move down to 29100. I don't know about that so much, JP. You know, trend is friend until it's not, and it's been going up. That's all. It has been going up. I mean, it was kind of going sideways, but we now officially broke. Excuse me. Oh, pressing the wrong thing. Trace back into the 5 minute. Let's see if it comes back out of it. Hey, Medved, what's up? How you doing? TP 280. You're selling? Oh, selling at 350. TP 280. Ah, oh, Medved, I can't complain. How you doing? Anyone that's just hopped on? Give me a second. There we go.
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
Ugh, I can't trade this. This is rather frustrating right now. Actually, I'm not gonna lie. Just been studying the videos. It's great, lots to take in. Yeah, Vid. When it comes to trading, it's a lot. I think I don't quite know how else to explain trading. It can be a lot sometimes, but I think when you understand it, you kind of go, oh, okay. Then it just starts to flow, and it, you know, you really start to understand. How much was the training early? Not chilling before bed, to be honest. Valid. Bed sounds good right now. A bit of a break above here. I mean, today's been a bit of a weird day. Hear me out. It's been going really fast today, which shows that it wasn't as boring as last week. Take a deep breath and relax. Ah, I'm fine. A little bit bummed because nowhere here was a nice opportunity for me to get a trade. Well, I say that. There was this one here. One. And it would have been risky. It was going against a lot of my rules. That's the only trade that has actually presented itself to me on NQ thus far. I'm gonna be formal about it. I shall sound fancy about it. I do still have my funded account. Don't ask how. I don't know the answer to that one, but I do indeed still have my funded account. Matthias, I'm still not making money yet, bud. Yeah. I still think it's gonna take me a little bit to start making money, and that's fine. It's part of it, right? Went there. Let's see. So I've only been trading for a year now, just over a year now. Yeah, I'm not here to Oh! If I didn't just my full risk on mine today, I would have traded this along this trade, not gonna lie. Sorry, I went because I just realized I haven't done butterfly of the day. And I wanted to show you guys my favorite butterfly. So I showed you guys one of earlier. So I'll show you guys my favorite butterfly. Let's see where he's at. Oh, little favorite butterfly, come out, come out. Watch me not be able to find him now. No. Definitely didn't miss him there. I'm being a little bit cheeky. I know I should actually pick a random page, but today we're going with favorites. For the Commodore. So, Emperors are some of my favorites. Where you at? There you are! I found you! I did not find you. That's not you. That's not my favorite. I lied. Where's my butterfly? Where the heck is my butterfly? So I'm gonna keep a track there. What? I feel like I've lost my butterfly. I know I've lost my marbles. I lost those ages ago. Don't even try come at me with that one, but oh no, I was correct. It is that one. Sorry. I was being blonde. It flew away. Am I like 100 thin braids on your hair? Why? Aw, thanks JP, I appreciate it. Hey Hammer, what you doing here in the PM? What you doing here this fine PM time? And break even? Slightly up. This is a break-even trade so far, and bam. Cool. There we go. That was a beautiful little wick in and up on this trade. Nice. Nice. Let's see if we get another one. But back in the green, well, basically break even after London session. New York has brought us back up, which is awesome. Okay, now we can do butterfly of the day. Damn, I might take no. Hammer, you're not a... Are you? No. Hammer, because you're not a member. So it's all my late trades was almost a disaster. Okay, so I don't know if you guys are ready for butterfly of the day. He's my favorite butterfly. I don't know why I like him so much. And you get like 3 variants. Okay. No, I lie, you get 2 variants, but just have to confirm that. But my favorite is the blue one. Ta-da! This is him. Do I trade crypto? I don't, sorry. Sorry, my vet, don't trade crypto. So the gaudy Commodore. So literally, he can look like this, he can look like blue, or he can look red. I obviously I like the blue one, but it can be either or. I think this is just so pretty. If I'm not mistaken, this variant is if it is born when it's warm. And this is when it's born, like just on any day. If it's born on that day that it's either warm or cold, it will come out either blue or, you can call that like red, orange, right? So I need to be a member. Yeah, sorry, Hammer. Okay, are we ready? So, the gaudy Commodore, wingspan of 50 to 63 millimeters. So, you know, he's not like tiny, but he's not huge. Decent. Let me see if this explains better. So, distribution is widespread in grassland, savanna, and Afromonte forest from Eastern Cape to KwaZulu-Natal, Lesotho, Free State, Gauteng, Swaziland, and Mpumalanga, Limpopo, and Northwest provinces, and further north. Habitat is forest edges, parks, and garden hilltops, hillsides, gullies, that's it. And flight period is from... Ooh, what? Okay, mainly August to March. It lost me. Yes, so it is. It's basically to do with hot and cold weather. Depends on if they come out looking either orange or blue. But yeah, the gaudy Commodore butterfly, its Latin name is Precis Octavia Sessimus. Sounds like a freaking spell. Anyways, that's butterfly of the day. Like I said, he is my favorite. Just look at the details on his wings. He's super cool. Anyways. Now. This. I actually nearly forgot about butterfly of the day. There was so much going on. Why does it feel like time is... What's happening today? I feel like time just flew by today. I don't know if that's just me. Oh, that is so awesome. I should be very careful with them. Fun fact too, the blue winter form often hides in caves, riverbank holes, culverts, and dark cracks for months like it's hibernating. Oh, huge groups of them can gather together in the shadows, looking almost like glowing blue leaves stuck to walls. Oh, Louis, I would love to see that. I'm just saying. That would be amazing. The blue one looks like it's an introvert, while the orange one looks like an extrovert. Yeah, Madsen, that's actually valid. The blue one's like, I choose peace. And the orange one looks like it'll come and punch you in the face for fun. So naturally, I like the blue one. I don't want to be punched in the face for fun, but that's not very nice. Like the blue pansies being little bullies and wanting to chase everyone. A bit mean. Okay. Have a quick look see here. Okay, potentially one last trade on the 15-second, but I don't see any trades forming for me on the funded. This is just too, well, there's no structure for me right now. Not for my way of trading, at least. I know some people are probably loving this. Right, who's loving this? I don't know what's going on. My phone asked me to start teaching how to trade, and the most important thing I told is take your money on fire and emotions. Yeah, to go 100. No, who cares? I'm gonna full pot and risk the whole two. No, you're not. Don't you dare, Louis. I will call BS on that one. You will not full port all of that. Oh, it's just running away. Okay, well, took out the high now on ES. Wow, this thing is... I mean, it's solidly moving today. I am, and I will go on then. Show evidence. I'm waiting. I think it's gonna fly with the swings keep kicking people. I agree with you on that one, Hammer. Game is not for the faint-hearted. You must be ready to be motionless. Dun dun dun. Ha! It's working. What's working? Did you actually full port everything? I legitimately can't tell if you're being serious right now. TP at 410. Nice, Louis. Close. Did it get you? What do you mean TP's at 410? It's already there. Where did you enter? I'm so lost right now. Five minutes to go. Good night, it's almost 1 AM here. Oh my gosh, Medved. Go to sleep. BS, you took a full porter. BS, show the proof. Medved, enjoy. Don't worry, I think I might nearly be calling it. Like I said, unfortunately for me, I can't trade this. Which is a bummer, FOMO is real. I mean, we are in the green for today, not by a lot, but we are in the green, so... Let's see what the new hourly brings. So there is 4 minutes left until we get there. The new hourly could bring some cool stuff. Let's see. It wasn't so bad, not gonna lie, for me personally. It wasn't bad. But like I said, for my... I mean, you know my strategy. It doesn't... This type of stuff doesn't work so well for my strategy, unfortunately. So... Yeah. This one was a little bit risque. Let's see if it gives us something good. Go up to 50 so I can move this. Or don't, whatever. This could now start breaking below. I wanted a little bit more of a rejection off of that level. Oh no, that's not what I wanted to see. Where's the rejection? Ah, chucksy doodles. Let's see. Like I said. $7. I was about to say, excuse me. That's 50. Want that up there. $62. Oh. I'm actually gonna move this one to break even. I could just want to wick down one more time before it goes up, but I would prefer this one to actually be in break even because this could have a little moment here. Ah, there we go. It would have been break even anyways. Let's see if it has enough to just push a little bit higher. 87. Put it up a tiny bit. If it comes back down, it's still a little bit of a win. Come on. Yeah, keep on pushing. Ah, okay. Well, we are still, well, break even, but more on the green side of break even at least. Louis, drop. I did have a buy here, but I don't know. Oh, naturally now this thing's gonna go up. Well. Oh, look who's back. Ending on a bit of a break-even day. Here we go, 1 minute to go. 3, 2, 1, new hourly candle. Let's see what we get. I just don't give a damn about this first presented today, actually. Oh, cheers, Life Sound. I'll see you tomorrow. Maybe London can give us something good again, right? But it sounds like you got a little bit of a win now, so that's awesome. Well done. Like I said, unlux for me. Nothing. TP slapped again. Nice. For anyone who had a green day, guys. Seriously? Yeah, there was the new hourly. Let's give it a few more minutes, but I might be calling it here. Because this is not showing me anything I want. And I see Wi-Fi is having a little mini freak out currently. Little mini meltdown. Anyone else in a trade right now or nah? Tag Nabbit for it really is the lucky entry for souls. Gonna tap into it again. Oh, good grief. Oh, it did. Good grief, what is with the 408? That's interesting. That's very interesting. Okay. Go get him. So okay, one more minute. I'm gonna give this one more minute, but I think yeah, I think unfortunately this might be me for today. Well, I took a red I took a bit of a red day on ES, turned it back into a little bit of a green slash break even, so that's something, right? That's something. Slowly getting better at identifying the correct entries for this, so that's awesome. Let's take the little wins. I am in the green for today, just $20. It just didn't hit my solid TP, which is unfortunate. Okay, bye Manolo. Am I just going to TMP quickly just to see recent signals? Okay, sure. It was a signal here. Basically where OTT kind of said he wanted to enter, right? TP1, TP2 just above. So there was a sell over there. That was a good sell. And a buy over here. Yeah, really good signal. Damn, Deb. Really, really good. I shorted like a while ago. Profit. Okay, bye. Okay, anyways. Short Deb, that's really not bad here. TP1 over here. A little bit higher up there. That's it. Looks like it's headed for just above the wick. Very nice from TMP. Bottom position gold and total. And from Nasdaq. Nasdaq is in the green. Gold wants to get in, but total is red. We'll have the same pivot on the same candle on my indicator. Very nice. Like I said, my normal strategy, nothing would have worked yet, but I see TMP looked like a bomb.com. The bomb.com. That's how good it was. The bomb.com. Oh shoot, I accidentally closed that. Alrighty, Rue, that English? Alrighty, Rue is what I wanted to say. Just butchered that. Guys, then I think I'm gonna call it there because, like I said, clearly on my funded, I'm not gonna get anything today. That's just it. Gonna probably most likely lose some volume now because it is lunch. Not always, obviously. Watch, I'm gonna leave and the volume is gonna start just looking beautiful. Anyways, so let me call it there because I do have solid FOMO now. I feel like everyone got a nice trade today. Except for me. That was a very big bark. Okay, I'll also go and check what that was about. Yeah, I feel like everyone got a decent trade in today except for me, so trust the FOMO do be real right now. But I'm proud of myself for not just wanting to jump into things. Let's look on the bright side. There was no A+ setups for me, so I didn't take anything. Hands off. Took a bunch on the 15-second. Those were all, that was quite fun. Anyways, let me then call it there before I start being rude. I love you guys madly. I will then see you tomorrow. London, New York. Let's see if we can maybe get another. Oh, hello, and look who's here. You gonna come say bye? Be. Oh, Perry, there's a Perry Bean nose. Wait, oh no, you can't see it. There's a Perry Bean snoot. Perry's here to say bye, guys. I love you guys madly. I will be back tomorrow. Let's see if we can maybe get some bangers in tomorrow again. Yeah? Yeah. I love you guys. Trade safe if you're still trading. Whoop whoop for everyone that did well. See you later, skaters. That's not the new thing. Okay. Love you, bye. And